Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat tip security. And in today's video, I will show you on how to protect yourself from hidden spy on your WeChat account. You may not even know. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat account. So with that being said, let's find out. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat. So I'm going to click on here, open up my WeChat. Then have you open up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to click on me right here. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on settings. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to account security. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on login devices. Under the login devices right here, if you find out any devices that you do not recognize right here, it simply means that the device has been linked to your WeChat account, and as a result of that, they will be reading your messages on WeChat, your contact, everything you have on your WeChat. The device that is linked right here, we have full access to control of your WeChat. So for you to get rid or delete any account that is linked into your WeChat account that is spy on your WeChat activities, what you need to do is to click on edit right here. Once you click on edit, then you will present with some of the devices right here. So if you see anyone you do not recognize, simply click on delete right here. And after deletion, security registration is required the next time you log in into your account on this particular device. Simply click on delete. And once you delete, you have completely removed the spy on your WeChat account, and your account security is more secure and more improved. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about WeChat security, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.